Hi, Eric Brown here, and in interior design there's many different ways to harmonize your home. One of the most popular is providing Feng Shui, and so I wanted to share with you several ideas of how to make your home extremely shui. Before coming inside, make a point of taking off your outdoor shoes and converting to just your socks or indoor shoes. It keeps all of the outside energy out and the inside energy in. Natural vegetation like plants in the home help bring health and happiness and overall great energy. Like this guy. Wait a second. Let me try that again. Healthy plants can be very important as well. See? Now I got it right. Another great element of Feng Shui is ventilate and brighten, bringing in natural sunlight into the home instead of the incandescent light that we have of standard home lighting. Air and light comes into the home, adding to that idea of energy. In the bedroom, it is said that you want to avoid televisions, mirrors, even water features, because these are concepts or features that take away energy, where in the bedroom, you want to be able to gain energy, have it be very restorative. So avoid those features if you're looking for great Feng Shui. Hopefully these tips have allowed you to feel the harmony of the environment that you can create in your home by using concepts like Feng Shui. If you're interested in learning anything else about all things real estate, I know a guy that would love to be able to touch base with you.